A ball is gently dropped from a height of 20 meters. If its velocity increases uniformly at the rate of 10 meter per second square, with what velocity will it strike the ground? After what time will it strike the ground? So first thing is, let's have a look at what we are dealing with. So we have the Mother Earth over here, and we have an object which is 20 meters up, and it has been, see here, it is gently dropped. What does it mean? The key word here is gently dropped. That is, it is dropped from rest. If something is dropped from rest, your initial velocity would be, yes, 0 meter per second. Now, the question is, what happens to it, or what is the velocity just before it hits the ground? So, since we have the gravity pulling it down, its speed changes. Throughout its journey, speed keeps changing. It accelerates at a rate of 10 meter per second square. So its final velocity will not be same as what it started with, right? So, and the distance between these 2 points is 20 meters. So the question is, with what velocity will it reach the ground? So let's dot down the given. It initially started its journey with 0, and the acceleration is 10 meter per second square. The distance it needs to travel is 20 meters, and the final velocity is unknown. And they're also asking, after what time will it strike the ground? So t is also unknown. So let's begin with I think finding the final velocity. So we have v, u, a and s. The formula which relates all of them is v square is equal to u square plus 2 into a into s. So v square is unknown, u square is 0, this is 10 into 20. So this would be v square is equal to 20 into 20 is 20 square. Therefore v is equal to 20 meter per second. Right? By taking square root, they get cancelled and we have v to be 20. Just before it hits the ground, it will reach a velocity of 20. So how much time does it take to do so? You can find that using v is equal to u plus at. Again, it's kind of simple to relate once you are used to the formula. If not, it's okay, you write down all the formulas and come to a conclusion. Okay, you have v that is 20, u that is 0, acceleration that is 10, and time that is unknown. All we have to do is divide by 10 both sides, and t happens to be 2 seconds. And this is your answer.